Hello everybody, beautiful day. Tonight we make something so easy. You put in the oven, take it out, and you eat. It's it, not too much work. We want to make Italian pepper stuff with the sausage. And the sausage, it's Italian hot sausage. And we gotta use the sausage and the pepper. We got passata, it's a tomato, mozzarella, garlic, and parsley, salt, and black pepper. Now, for start, I started to over here with the sausage. And we put a little salt, not too much salt. I want to do like this. You got the sausage, it's already salt. It's all. No more. A little black pepper. All right. We got a parsley. Garlic.
Hey, thanks, Carol, for the stars. Welcome, everybody. Where are you watching from tonight?
I got a garlic. It's the passata.
It's just plain sauce, right?
Yes. All right.
Antonia's asking for the recipe. So tonight, if you just do a hashtag yummy, the recipe will be sent to your inbox.
Okay, now we mix a little bit with this spatula over here, but no, everybody know what I gotta use, okay? For now, like this, but it's okay. And we put a mozzarella. I call it mozzarella, or you call it mozzarella. I call it mozzarella. 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 Okay.
Thank you, Mike. Mike sent you some stars as well.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Chin Chin, everybody. Thank you so much for the start. Chin Chin, salute.
And Bill also.
Thank you, Bill. I got a wine. I know you make a martini. Okay. Now, I take this out. I want to wash my hand.
Hello, Leslie. We got everyone watching from around the world. Okay. Denmark.
Thank you very much. And now we mix like this. It's so easy by hand. Maybe now somebody say, what happened to the gloves? Yeah, the gloves. Gloves.
Thanks, Leslie. Yeah, if you do the hashtag yummy, it's sent to your inbox in literally half a second, one millisecond.
Look at this, beautiful. Look there. And now, stuff the pepper.
Thank you, Debbie and Minnie and Lisa. You want to just say exactly what you put in here again?
Okay, I got the Italian hot sausage, salt and black pepper, parsley, and mozzarella, and the passata.
And a little garlic too.
Yeah, garlic. Yes, the garlic, really. Okay.
Yeah, we do have a YouTube channel, but Facebook is really the more active page. But yes, there is one. Just search Pasquale Sciarappa.
Okay, look at this. How beautiful this pepper.
And if you're enjoying the show, please hit the like button, everybody, and share the stream. Thank you. Yeah, I believe they are also, like, another name would be a Cubanelle or Italian frying pepper.
Now this I use, it's a full sausage I was use.
Hey, Paul, thanks for the stars. Appreciate that.
Thank you very much to everybody.
And just to remind everybody, we're live every Tuesday at around 6 p.m.
Okay, look. Enough.
How's the garden doing? Tom is asking.
The basil. Look at the no. This is the zucchini. My nephew gave it to me. Look how big zucchini he got.
And those peppers from the garden, or
No. I was a buy.
they're not ready yet?
No. But I got the basil, the parsley, Jeremy. Ooh. Okay. Let me wash my hand now. I prepared this already.
Hey, Donna, appreciate that for the stars. Thank you.
Okay, now I want to show everybody what it look like.
Yeah, let us know if you want to, after this is done, which should be in another minute or two, if you want us to go outside and show you the garden, do a quick little update.
Look at my base. Hey, look at the parsley. Okay, we try this. After we can go outside, I show you my place. Okay. All right. Now that one it's the pepper. Now I want to show you different pepper.
Ooh, they're done already. Nice.
Look how beautiful. Huh?
Make sure to drink all that fat.
Okay. Turn this out like this. In the dish.
Before, after. Oh, yeah. What temperature did you do?
400.
And for how long, you think? What was it?
This it's like almost 1 hour. Okay, look. Huh? See how nice? Oh. Hot.
Peppers are Italian frying peppers, or like a Cubanelle. Spicy?
Yeah, the sausage is spicy. Yeah. It's really hot sausage. Thank you very much to look at this video. You know, it was too long, but it's easy. I hope everybody next week, we cook on Monday for the support and Tuesday for everybody want look. And thank you very much for every week everybody come and say my recipe. Chin chin, the salute, and thank you for your support, and thank you for the star. Chin chin, salute. You want to go look outside a little bit? Okay.
Let's check out the garden.
Okay. Let's go look.
Hashtag merch if you're interested in things like this. And the apron. Oh, you got the Crocs on today.
Look there. Look at the basil. Huh? And look at the parsley in the back. Look at that. This is a cilantro. I keep it, you gotta do the seeds. You got a lot of seeds, and I do the cilantro. This is my tomato. This is the pepper.
Yeah, it's still small, right?
Yeah, more tomato over here. And I got the rucola. Look at the rucola, how big, how many rucola I got over here. The mint. Okay. I got the thyme.
And all this comes back every year by itself, right?
The sage, yes, every year. And this is my fig tree. Already we started to eat this, the fig.
That's huge.
Not too many, but it started. And look at my beautiful flower I got over here. Huh? They see the flower, it look good though, like this, kind of morning. E gombara, che sai suonare, oh frescarella, e come si suona, oh frescarella, oh frescarella. It's why every morning I gotta come and I gotta sing for the flower. It's why, look at that, look at this, boy, oh boy, look at this, a beautiful flower, look at that. And look what I did over here. Look at the basil. I got in the little pots I put. Look. Yeah, I got it over here too. Look at that.
You gonna do pesto this year?
No, I got it for last year. Maybe. Watch your back. I got it. I wanted the water. Maybe it go. No, it's off.
It's for the deer.
It's off. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. I show you my garden. Everything look good. And today I was working really hard too. I was power wash my driveway. It was really black, but today I did the job. It come out so nice. I like the way it come out. Look at that. Beautiful. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Really nice.
Clean your driveway.
Okay. Thank you, everybody. I hope so everybody like this video. And do chin chin salute. And we see next week. Thank you very much. And thank you for the star. Chin chin. Salute.